If you've always wanted to fill your home with plants but didn't know where to begin, don't worry. These 20 indoor plants are perfect for beginners, low maintenance, forgiving, and beautiful enough to make any room feel peaceful and alive. Let's get started. 1. Snake plant, Sansevieria. The snake plant is the ultimate beginner's best friend. It thrives on neglect, meaning you can forget to water it for weeks and it'll still stand tall. It tolerates low light, purifies the air, and adds a bold architectural look to your space. Just place it anywhere with indirect light and water only when the soil is completely dry. 2. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. The peace lily is elegant and calming with its glossy leaves and pure white blooms. It's famous for cleaning indoor air and reducing toxins like formaldehyde. It also tells you exactly when it needs water. Its leaves gently droop as a reminder. Keep it in medium light and water once a week for healthy blooms. 3. Money plant, Pothos or Epipremnum aureum. The money plant is one of the easiest and most rewarding houseplants. It grows fast, looks lush in hanging pots, and is said to bring prosperity and good luck. It thrives in any corner, bright or dim, and can even grow in water. Just trim the vines occasionally and enjoy how effortlessly it fills your home with greenery. 4. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. The ZZ plant is nearly indestructible. Its waxy deep green leaves store water, so you can forget about it for days and it won't mind. Perfect for low light and minimal attention, it quietly cleans your air while looking timeless. Water it just once every 2 to 3 weeks, and it'll reward you with healthy new shoots. 5. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. This cheerful plant grows fast and produces adorable little spiderettes that hang from the mother plant. It's easy to propagate and excellent at purifying air. Give it bright, indirect light and keep the soil slightly moist. It forgives missed waterings and bounces back quickly, making it a great confidence booster for beginners. 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera isn't just pretty, it's practical. Known for its healing gel, it's perfect for skin burns or cuts. It loves bright sunlight and hates overwatering, so treat it like a desert plant. Let the soil dry completely before watering, and it'll thrive for years. Add 7. Jade plant, Crassula ovata. The jade plant is a symbol of luck and friendship. It's a sturdy succulent that stores water in its fleshy leaves, so it's happy even with occasional watering. Place it near a sunny window and let the soil dry out between waterings. It grows slowly, but lives long, a true sign of patience and prosperity. 8. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. With large, glossy leaves, the rubber plant instantly gives a bold, tropical touch to your home. It's hardy and adjusts well indoors, thriving in bright, indirect light. Wipe its leaves occasionally to keep them shiny and dust-free. Water it once the topsoil feels dry, and it'll keep growing strong and lush. 9. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema. This plant is known as the easiest of all houseplants. It tolerates low light, infrequent watering, and still stays stunning. With colorful leaves ranging from green to pink, it brightens any dull corner. Just avoid cold drafts and water only when the topsoil dries. It's a quiet beauty that fits any lifestyle. 10. Areca palm. The areca palm adds instant tropical charm and fresh air to your home. It's a natural humidifier, great for dry rooms. It loves bright, filtered light and regular watering but doesn't like soggy soil. Keep it in a well-lit living space and trim old fronds occasionally. It'll grow tall, green, and graceful. 11. Lucky bamboo. A plant of good fortune and harmony, lucky bamboo is incredibly easy to care for. It grows happily in water or soil and only needs low to medium light. Change its water every 2 weeks and it'll keep growing strong. Perfect for desks or corners that need a little positive energy. 12. Philodendron. Philodendrons are classic indoor plants with heart-shaped leaves that symbolize warmth and love. They adapt to any room, tolerate low light, and only need watering when the topsoil feels dry. They're low fuss and forgiving, ideal for those who tend to forget their plants once in a while. 13. Boston Fern. This lush, feathery plant brings softness to any space. It loves humidity, so bathrooms or kitchens are great spots. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and give it filtered light. It's one of the best natural air purifiers and instantly adds a cozy green touch to your home. 14. English Ivy. A fast grower and air cleaning hero, English ivy looks stunning in hanging pots or climbing up shelves. It loves cooler temperatures and indirect light. Water it regularly and mist occasionally to keep its leaves fresh. Once it settles, it spreads beautifully, filling your room with rich green trails. 15. Parlor Palm. The parlor palm has been a favorite since the Victorian era for its elegance and ease. It thrives in low to medium light and enjoys regular watering. It grows slowly but steadily, bringing a calm, tropical feel without demanding much. It's also pet-friendly, a big plus for animal lovers. 16. Rubber Fig, Ficus lyrata, or fiddle leaf fig. The fiddle leaf fig is bold yet surprisingly simple to care for once you find its sweet spot. It loves bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. It's a statement piece, tall, sculptural, and dramatic. Wipe its leaves regularly, and it'll stay healthy and glossy for years. 17. Calathea. Known as the prayer plant, Calathea's leaves move with the light, a fascinating trait. It prefers medium light, moist soil, and a humid environment. Its unique leaf patterns make it a decorative gem for tabletops or shelves. It may look fancy, but it's surprisingly easy once you get the watering right. 18. Dieffenbachia, dumb cane. This plant's large patterned leaves add instant lushness to any space. It thrives in medium light and needs watering once the top inch of soil dries out. It's a fast grower, very forgiving, and perfect for beginners who want something eye-catching. Just keep it away from pets and kids as its sap can irritate skin. 20. Monstera deliciosa. Known as the Swiss cheese plant, Monstera is trendy, tropical, and surprisingly easy. It loves bright, indirect light and weekly watering. Its iconic split leaves grow bigger with time, making it a perfect centerpiece plant. It's low effort, high reward, the ultimate plant to end our beginner list. There you have it, 20 indoor plants that are easy to care for, easy to love, and perfect for anyone just starting their plant journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and tell me in the comments which plant you'd love to bring home first. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!